think since I came to the United States, I realized that the main difference was that people here is very engaging. In Japan, we don't raise hands in the classroom usually. Here in the United States, people raise hands and like interact.
Speaking of high school education, our main goal is to pass the exam. We usually have lecture classes and we don't have discussion in class.
The relationship between teacher and students are very friendly. In Japanese school, usually students are hesitate to ask questions. Teacher are kind of scary.
Young people should be polite.
Really? Why do you think so?
In the world, we don't think so.
Here in the United States, students have more homework than Japanese university. Yeah. If they get some assignments or homework, they just get them done. Hardworking, but in Japan we don't have that kind of homework. Lazy, yeah. Japanese universities focusing on freedom.
Speaking of universities, Japanese students don't have
Motivation
to study. They just go to the universities to get jobs. We only study only before the test.
In the United States are very motivated and
so in classes they don't usually sleep, but in Japan it's really normal to sleep in the classroom.
How's the Japanese university different from Japanese high school and before that?
I think in high school we are more required to study harder than university. Goal for Japanese students in high school is to get into a university they want to go to, and then it is hard to enter the university, but it is easy to graduate. But on the other hand, in America, it is easy to get into the university, I heard, but it is harder to graduate. Spend time freely for 4 years, and then they just hard for entering the university, and after that they're just hanging out
because they have no freedom before they.
Exactly. Very common to go to cram school in Japan, after school.
After the school, I just had dinner, and then after that I just kept studying all the time until the 11 o'clock.
Most of Japanese students go to cram school to pass the exam. So I think the weakness is we don't have much opportunities to discuss in the classroom, or we do have lecture classes, but we don't have much time to discuss our opinions.
Students are very hardworking. The class, everything goes well. There's no student who against teachers.